Hey guys, how's it going? Squares is here. Hope everyone's well. Thursday, 26th of September 2024. The markets are live. Disclaimer, no investment advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The links to our disclaimers will be in the YouTube description box of the video. Let's jump to GGP and let's try and I'm going to try and add a bit more context and how I think it's moving. So we're looking at the daily chart with Greatland Gold. Price is currently at 7.04. We've just gone lunchtime, 12:30. So we've got until 4:30 this afternoon. With daily chart, every candle represents a day of trading. What's the volume for today? Current volume 38.816 million. So my idea that I've been charting out GGP, well, ever since I pretty much came online with Swayze's charts, but like I've been charting it out quite a lot recently and 2024 and done podcasts and charts and things like that. What I want to do though, I want to add the larger context. So you see this macro descending bearish downtrend that it's been locked in. What happened was, right, we can see price spiked back in December 2020. Price spiked to like 38.65 a share, right? Price spikes. So we had a spike and then channel formation. And that's what happens a lot of times with the markets. There's literally courses you can do and systems you can learn where it's spike and channel. So prices spiked and then created this channel. So there we go. We've got this downtrend level that we can see every time that GGP encountered these levels. It's encountered resistance, sold off. It's been in it for a while. I mean, a long time. The spike and the channel configuration, what's that? It's like 4 years, 4 and a bit years. You know what I mean? Long time. You see this bullish ascending channel idea that I've also drawn in. I believe that this is how bullish intention has been resumed with GGP, and I think this is the virtual structure that was required for it to break out of this macro descending downtrend. I've drawn in like an arc retracement level where I think price may return to at some point in the not too distant future. I mean, look, if we look with GGP, we can see the top of this particular channel. And this is just one channel, right? I'm not predicting the entire future of where this stock may go. This is it's an idea of mine that I'm trying to put into context of how Greatland Gold's going to utilize this virtual structure to break out of this resistance. So these resistance levels, the emanation came from the spike and channel back in 2020, which I've just obviously demonstrated. Well, the spike was 2020 and then the channel formation was like early 2021. And you can see it there plain as day. There's the downtrend. And then I drew this other macro ascending channel idea. I drew it because we've got multiple touches at key levels. And then I've put it to the recent swing low with Greatland. I mean, look at the foundational support. So mega volume, right? With loads of I think it's institutional volume nodes. When you're looking at 380 million as a voluminous day, you've got foundational support. So that's why I've put the swing low of this bullish channel idea to obviously these levels here, which very recently occurred, like September last month. Now we've got a relative convergence of EMAs. I mean, there's a slight divergence. We've got a slight divergence, but if you look at the 21 and the 50, they're converging. So at some point in the future, at some point in the near future, hopefully we'll have the EMAs converge a bit more. But in the great scheme of things, it's not too shabby, really. When you look at a particular candle and we look at prices above the 21 and the 50, It's trying to get above the 100 and the 200. So we've got resistance. I mean, I just need to slightly adjust this this channel idea, slightly adjust it. But we're pretty much at resistance, pretty much at resistance with GGP. Price is going to have to break out of like, there's resistance at about 7.37. I mean, it's virtually there, to be fair. It's like just underneath, slightly above. I've got it calculated at about resistance levels at about 7.2-ish. Pretty much that's where your resistance levels are, I think. But obviously, it's no coincidence that the 200 EMA is currently tracking at 7.13. So that's obviously resistance. And then we've got the channel resistance just literally just above. So if price can break out in the not too distant future, guys, you know, there's so much market structure available for this stock, for this company, the chart idea. And hopefully it's going to break out these levels of pesky resistance, which has been going on for a good few years now. Break out, and then we can utilize upper market structure. And there's various levels where price could return to in the short term. You got like 9.03, and then you got another gap level 10.58. Is that right? Yeah, like 10.52. Sorry. And then obviously we've got a significant swing high level of about 11.52 to 12, moving upwards. And then, like I said, the top of this virtual structure, this channel is pushing towards 14. So, you know, I like the way it's looking. When you actually zoom out, see, this is my system of technical analysis. My system is retroactive back testing with forward channel projection methodology. It's my system. We use the past, we use the present, we use the potentiality of the future. What we're really looking at, really, with GGP at the minute, I believe, is it's attempting a trend reversal. It's attempting a trend reversal. So it's attempting to change its market state. In the markets, not that many of you guys know, you know, if you know all this stuff, listen, no problem. Excellent. But if you don't know it, it might be of interest to you. If you do know it, it might confirm what you already think. You know, there's that much disinformation out there. I mean, the LSE bulletin board for GGP, my Lord, have mercy on me. The attacks that I got on there simply for being bullish on this stock. I mean, wow. I'm not going to go into the conspiratorial ideas about the LSE, right? Shout out to the LSE bulletin board, but wow. A lot of interesting characters on that board. Thank God I've got independence and I don't live in fear. See, the thing is, right, when you've got people trying to push fear narratives, right, fear is like one of the lowest vibrational states of any human being. And as human beings, right, we're not meant to live in fear, guys. We're meant to be fearless. And we have a supercomputer between our ears called the brain, and we can use that supercomputer to come up with our own ideas. We don't need to rely on quote unquote experts, right? Listen, it might sound like a contradiction. Don't rely on me. Learn this stuff for yourself. Then you can come up with your own ideas. You can overcome fear. You can test ideas. It's like eating a steak, right? Eat a steak, spit out the bones. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to keep it real, right? You can see it's trying to change its market state. We're looking at the daily chart. We'll jump to the weekly in a minute, and then I'll call time out on this quick video. Macro ascending down channel, right, with GGP. Spike channel. Okay, formation of virtual structure to utilize said virtual structure to do trend reversal. Current market state, macro, downtrend, testing downtrend, right? Testing downtrend at key levels, right? Foundational support, huge volume, right? Foundational support for the bottom of this bullish channel idea on the macro, which is going to test these pesky levels of resistance to break out. And look at this fib. It's like basically a fib retracement level. Larger cup and handle continuation pattern forming bullish continuation pattern. Trying to just keep it straight. That's how I see it moving. Good luck to all investors. Jump to the weekly dead quick and see if there's anything interesting going on there. We'll see how it's translated on the weekly chart. Every candle we're looking at now is a week of trading. I mean, beautiful. Look at it. Getting a bit of lag, guys. Sorry, one sec. There we go. Let's zoom into the weekly. Look at it. Again, mega volume, 585.465 million in that week of volume commencing from the 9th of September. Amazing. Right. Price currently testing. What is it testing? 21? Yeah, there you go. Right, so we've got like 1.5 days left because obviously tomorrow's the end of the week. It's going to be really, really interesting to see whether or not GGP closes over the 21 and the 50 EMA on the weekly chart. So we can see it there, not a bad spread with all the key EMAs. GGP currently testing key EMAs on the weekly. You know what? If it breaks out, guys, I'll tell you what, there's some beautiful structure up ahead. I'm just saying, don't take any sort of financial advice off me. I'm simply a commentator for entertainment and educational purposes only. Back to the daily chart. We've got the rest of the day. To go for trading. Good luck to everybody. I'm literally just making a quick follow-up video with my ideas. It's my ideas. It's my system of technical analysis. I might do another Trifusion AI report on it and publish that at some point soon. Please give us a like, share, retweet. Been doing a lot of American stuff lately, guys. Getting some really good results. Had a phenomenal run with about 13 or 14 American stocks. Our Trifusion AI, which is our artificial intelligence tool that I'm co-developer with Bob Smith. Shout out to my mate Bob. We've got it. It's our own unique GPT neural net. We've got it stock screening stuff. And I'll tell you, I've published everything. So take a look at the video. Where is it? American stock video. If you're interested in the American markets, I dropped it the other day. And phenomenal results with a lot of our American. Shout out to Hemo, by the way. That's another prediction. That's another prediction coming true. And I got some major abuse on the LSE Hemo bulletin board. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of American stuff because I love the way that American markets move. Oh, here we go, guys. SWOS charts, mega US stock roast. And like literally we got like an 80% win ratio of our AI chose, I can't remember now, it was like, flipping it, what was it, 15, 16 stocks or something like that. And like multiple stocks have come true. And some of them are like mega movers. One of them was like 75% winner. Another one was like 45, I think it's 45%. Another one 28%. Another one like 15, another one 15 or 18%. Like there's one of our mega winners. Carnival, Carnival Corporation Cruise Liners. That was one of our big American winners. And then TPR is another winner. Fubo was a mega winner. That was nearly a bagger, that call out. I called that out 9th of August a couple of months ago. So I mean, I don't know if there's anyone's Capita, that's a recent winner. Shout out to Capita PLC, another winner with Capita. Rivian is successful. I've been calling them the downside moves. Rivian EV, it's an American EV electric vehicle automobile production company or whatever you call it. That's been very successful in the way it's been moving. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of charts. I'm on Substack now. I'm doing journalistic articles on Substack. Feel free to hit any of the links. Hims and Hers, another American company. But yeah, it's a whole new world, American stocks. They have great liquidity, great beta volatility levels. So I've been enjoying charting them out. And to be fair, it's not Peloton, another mega winner with Peloton, called it 19th of August. That was like 70, I think nearly a 70% winner, I think, or something crazy like that. So yeah, EasyJet was a winner. That's a recent winner called EasyJet. That was another winner. So, I'm very happy with the way a lot of the charts are moving. I'm very, very happy with our AI. because it's supplying the suggestions, because we've got it doing a stock screen algorithm, and then the algorithms will come in, the lists will come in that our AI chooses, and then I'll chart them out, and then me and Bob will put our heads together and we'll figure out where we go next. I might make a Swayze's Charts Telegram group again at some point in the future. See, this dude here is giving me a follow, right? Top Rank Capital, nearly 68,000 followers. So, you know, it's really refreshing to see support. I mean, the Americans are really quite supportive. You know, it's nice to see. It's nice to see. Maybe it's the English accent. Vodafone was a winner. That was another winner of mine. Vodafone. Pets at Home, another winner. That was another winner. So, yeah, you know, pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll get off now, guys. Good luck with Greatland Gold. It looks like it's doing pretty well today. It's encountering resistance, but it seems like it's putting up a good fight at the minute. I've given my take on it. I'll put the charts and the links and everything in the description box of the video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Cheers.